Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute holiday bear. Please grab your marker or pencil, depending what you're using today, and let's start. Also, please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. We're going to start with the holiday hat, and how we're going to do it is I'm going to draw something like this, and from there I'm going to bring like a curved line to the side. Now from here I'm going to bring it here, and then I'm going to draw like a circle. That's beautiful. Now from here we're going to draw our bear's head, and I'm going to draw like an oval. That's cute. Now let's add the ears. I'm going to draw the eyes. Now let's draw a pretty big nose, and I'm going to color it black as well. I'm just going to leave a little bit of white. That's great. Let's draw a mouth. Very cute. Now from there, let's add the body. So from here, I'm going to bring like a curved line, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. It's cute. I'm going to add like this, and that's for the outfit. And here I'm going to draw two pretty big like ovals. That's good. That's one. That's two. Now from here holding something, I can draw it this way, and this one will be holding, and you can choose what your bear will be holding. I think mine will be holding like a quarter piece. I'm going to draw like a snowflake here. Very cute. And that part is done. Now you can put your marker to the side, and let's start coloring. You can decide what color you want the hat to be. Maybe it's red, or maybe it's blue. Now I'm going to use the same color for the outfit. Just notice that I'm missing like a line here. I'm gonna add it now. That's beautiful. Now grab a color for your bear. Maybe you want it brown, maybe you want it more like close to yellow, like you decide how you want it. I think I want mine like close to brown, and I'm gonna add like cute chicks here. So I'm gonna grab pink first. I think I want my teddy bear to be like this kind of beige color. Nice, that part is done. I'm gonna use like a nice blue color here. You can use any color you want. Now I'm gonna grab darker blue and I'm gonna outline the snowflake. Very nice. And my teddy bear is done. Guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.